Cannot go? Okay. Hi guys, Augusto here from Augusto Vlogs, and today we are going to take the St. Kitts Scenic Railway, and we are going around the island. Guys, we are about to leave. Okay, the captains make sure the conductor, not the captain, the conductor is making sure everything is okay. Over here, is everything okay? And we're gonna go, guys. Very exciting. Right from the beginning, guys, the scenery is just unbelievable. Very green with the mountains and the ocean on the back. Okay, guys, in here, they have some beverage that they serve, cold drinks, alcohol if you want to. Very nice. Guys, this railroad is famous, okay? And it is known as the last railway in the West Indies. The whole trip takes about 3 hours, giving or taking, but you just don't even feel it because there is a lot to see. The mountains, okay, on the left side is just spectacular, and the ocean on the right side is just unbelievable. St. Kitts in particular is very famous for its sugar cane production, guys. That's why the European had its eye on it. This is how you go, like upside. You go upstairs. The second floor. Look how nice it is. Nice view. From the second floor, you can have a 360-degree view. Nice. It's really good. It's just so exciting to go through all these tunnels, all this vegetation, and we're right by the water also. Guys, this used to be a river over here, you see? Originally, this railway was built to transport sugarcane, guys, from one end to the other end, and then to send out to Europe. But when the sugarcane traffic stopped, they started using this to take the tourists, to see the island, to see where the plantations were, to see the tourist sites. After 300 years of having St. Kitts being the leading sugarcane plantation to many of the European countries, that stopped, and no more sugar plantation or sugar cane can be produced in St. Kitts. Guys, this was a sugar plantation over here when the British people were, in this island. Crossing to the other court. Yeah. Thank you. No, you're crazy. In the train, you are going to see a local group presenting their local dance.
trees and stalks throughout the centuries. But these two stone structures.
And here, guys, we are going through a local village, okay? Guys, I just don't want to go to the other side, you know? I'm a little bit scared.
So our islands jumbies are said to lay. Welcome to Bellevue, ladies and gentlemen. Bellevue, beautiful.
Guys, you can go to the other side over here, but I have to confess to you, I'm a little bit scared. Okay? Go to the next court. I don't know if I can do that or not. I cannot go? Okay. Thank you. You cannot go to the other side?
Accumulation we're able to see from the trains today. But imagine this accumulation is surrounded by water. And introduced to many of the islands of the Caribbean. Lots of the islands have breadfruit trees. Captain Bligh of Mutiny on the Bounty.
Guys, just on a side note, okay, so much riches was produced in Saint Kitts, okay? The British, you know, and the French fought because of this island all the time. And yet, it seems by going through their local villages that not much was left in here for the local people. Guys, after have seen so much of St. Kitts, you know, the beautiful scenery, the interesting history, the beautiful ocean, we are getting close to end our trip. I hope you guys liked it. Please subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.